CloudSuite Industrial is an ERP solution built for the unique requirements of the manufacturing and distribution industries. Customer and order management is designed to help you track sales prospects, leads, campaigns, and opportunities until you convert those leads into actual customers. You can enter orders directly via EDI, or have your customers use optional portal or Infor Configurator to enter the orders themselves. CloudSuite Industrial's finite advanced planning and scheduling system alerts you when a shipment due date isn't feasible and adjusts to changes that can impact your supply, notifying you when an order is at risk of shipping late so you can take action. The system provides a streamlined profile for each customer, including order history, warranty information, and support for aftermarket service, ensuring the best possible service is delivered to each customer. The system is designed to support mixed-mode production across both discrete and process manufacturing, from make to stock to more complex projects, or configure to order, repetitive, or process operations. CloudSuite Industrial supports organizations of all sizes, from small businesses with a single site to multinational organizations. Customers can choose between a cloud subscription or on-premise license model. The Mongoose Development Framework offers you the ability to personalize the solution and make it your own. At any time, your users can edit and add forms, create new tables and fields, build new reports, and take advantage of custom scripting. Infor CloudSuite Industrial provides the advanced functionalities manufacturers and distributors need to stay competitive in today's climate.